my good people. My name is Masija, guys. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. And for the returning subscribers, thank you guys for keeping in touch, guys. Hey guys, you can see, oh, my hair. Oh, I'll go and make it. Okay, guys, today I want to do laundry. Yeah, I want to wash my seat covers. Let me call them seat covers. In our language, you call them vitamba. Yeah, seat covers. So I'm going to wash my mom's seat covers. Yeah, and I'll dry them. But today, as you can see, guys, I'm on my pullover. So today is very gloomy. Yeah, I think the rain will rain today because we really missed the rain. Yeah, so I want to go in. Yeah, this is my mom's house, guys. Yeah, you can see it there. That's my mom's house. Yeah, I want to go in and collect the 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 covers, seat covers. Then I come back and wash them. This is the area that it's called toss. Yeah, this is the washing powder. Yeah, I'm going to use that. Yeah, already collected them. Yeah, so I already collected them there. These ones are the seat covers, guys. Yeah, so I'm going to do laundry for them. I want to wash them. Yeah, these ones. So guys, yeah, today I decided I'm alone at home. I'm alone. They went somewhere. Yeah, but they're coming back. So let me do my mom's laundry. My laundry for the seat covers. What's this now? Yeah, so I want to help my mom to clean these seat covers. Yeah. So, and with me here, I already fetched the water. Yeah, down here, this is water. Yeah, and this is the soap that I said I'm going to use. Yeah. So guys, let me place here the camera. Yeah. And guys, you can see down there, those are our chicks and chicks and some cocks. Yeah, you can see these two here and the other ones and the other ones. I think they are this only because they are, I don't know how they are called. Not their big mouth or I don't know. I forgot it. I don't know the name, guys. I think they are big mouths. They usually come and collect these small chicks, even the hen, the big cocks and hens. Guys, they usually eat our chickens. Yeah. So, but we've tried our best to fence. You can see this down here. You can see this barbed wire here. I don't know how it's called. Is it barbed? No, barbed is the other one. Yeah, but this one let me note in the comment section how it's called. Me, I usually call it barbed wire or box wire. Yeah, but we place them here, but they are not doing that good because those things, I don't know where they are passing, and they come inside the compound because we usually close the gates and we close the gates, guys, and the chicks are not allowed to go outside. If you find one outside, you just skin it and come back to the compound. So they are not going out, but we don't know how they are being caught and killed. We just find the feathers all around the place where it has been killed. Yeah, so guys, I don't know how. I advise us, how can we do our fence so that they cannot enter, because the whole fence is placed the one you can see down here, guys, the box one. Yeah, we placed them. Oh, so guys, let me continue washing my mama's clothes, my mama's, not clothes, my mama's seat covers. Yeah, yeah. So guys, I've collected this black basin here. Yeah, so I want to place oh, it's called the washing powder. Yeah, inside, so that I can wash. Oh, it's over. We'll buy another one. Let me soak the clothes. them, guys. Let me wait for them so that they can soak for like 30 minutes or some. Let me wait for them so that they can soak, so that they may be easy to. This is doing what, to scratch, not scratching. To do this way, to wash. Yeah, I think they are ready now. I can wash. Yeah. So let me start. Guys, you know, here at home, you can find even that sometimes my mother doesn't have time to wash. So when you come home, you just help her to do things like this. Yeah. Oh. Wait. Another cock is biting some. Wait. There's a cock there, guys. It's big than others. So it usually disturb the young ones. It's very stubborn. So guys, you know, I'm in the village. Kindly, guys, I'm around to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly support me, guys. I don't know what they poured here. Is it smoke or what? I don't know what's this. It's not coming out. Yeah, guys, I was saying I am around to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly support me, guys, so that I can reach there. Yeah. There's a stain. I don't know what is this. You know, guys, maybe our son, our brother's son did this. I'm done washing, so I've already rinsed one, so I want to dry them here. This is our hang light. Let me bring the camera nearer. Yeah, let's place the camera, so I want to dry them. So I didn't pick the bags, so let me dry them, guys. The pegs. Yeah, so you just dry them like that. You just put them that way. Yeah. But for us, we have the pegs. I'm going back to take them. Because I can see the rain. It's almost raining. Yeah. Guys, I'm done rinsing them and putting them to the hang line. You can see how they are clean now. Yeah, let me take you. Yeah, these are my mom's seat covers. Yeah, I have overlapped them because of the hang line. Yeah, yeah, this is the way they are looking like. Yeah, so that, guys, I'm done. So the water that I've used for cleaning, I'm going to use them for washing my legs. Here in the village, we just recycle. Yeah, we don't use water for once and we throw. Maybe at that time, maybe the time that we throw water is, or you pour down the water is maybe you have the rain have rained. Yeah, that's the time people misuse water. But it's rare people to misuse water in the village, because guys, sometimes there's a dry season. Maybe there's a dry season. So after washing after washing the after cleaning the clothes or washing anything, or mostly when you after washing the clothes, you just go and recycle the water by washing the house. Yeah, so guys, that was my work today. Yeah, and that was my video today, guys. So kindly, guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel at Masijai, guys. Like, share, comment, guys. I'm already to 1,000 subscribers. Kindly, guys, take me there. Yeah, so guys, bye bye, guys. Let's meet in another video, guys. Bye bye.